The affordability of Firelands campus compared to main campus or other colleges was a huge aspect of deciding to come here. I chose this because I didn't know too much about financial aid or debt before going to college, and I just knew that I didn't want to have a lot of it. I thought that Firelands was a great choice to come to because I thought that there's a really good community aspect to it. It's affordability, and I feel like I do get a good college experience from coming here. My favorite professor is probably Dr. Ray Shuck and Dr. Sue Ellen McComas. They're both the Communication 3-in-1 directors and professors for that. They both challenge you and let you learn how you want to learn and give you the environment to succeed. They really encourage you to do your best. Both of them have helped me with participating in outside research, where writing academic articles, participating in conferences with pieces that we've worked on in class and outside of class.